Today we're going to learn how to turn this cute cup of coffee into a cute girl. So we're going to start off with our half circle as a teacup. Then we're going to draw a handle that's going to be our ear. Then draw the plate as the scarf. We're going to make her some eyes. And a cute smile. Now we're going to draw some waves for the heat waves of the coffee. Then we'll turn that into her hair. Now we're going to draw her cute little body. Give her a bow tie on her hair. And draw her scarf. Now you can just color it all in. Voila, there we have it. Congratulations. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.